मेरा दोस्त छुट्टियों में आया।
My friend came over during the holidays. My friend came over during the holidays.
मैंने अपने पुराने अकाउंट को अपने नए अकाउंट से जोड़ दिया।
I linked my old account to my new one. I linked my old account to my new one.
उसने 1 घंटा से ज्यादा कपड़े पहनने में गुजारे।
He spent over an hour dressing up. He spent over an hour dressing up.
मैंने इसे बचाने की एक वाज़ेह कोशिश की।
I made a visible attempt to save him. I made a visible attempt to save him.
गाड़ी बाईं तरफ खड़ी थी।
The car was parked to the left. The car was parked to the left.
वो आवाज सुनकर चौंक गई।
She got startled by the sound. She got startled by the sound.
मुझे जाना है।
I had to get going. I had to get going.
वो घबरा गया कि टांके लगने से तकलीफ हो सकती है।
He panicked that getting stitches might hurt. He panicked that getting stitches might hurt.
इससे पहले कि कोई बोलता वो बाहर निकल गया।
She walked out before anyone could talk. She walked out before anyone could talk.
मैं शायद पूरी मीटिंग में खामोश रहूंगा।
I would likely remain quiet throughout the meeting. I would likely remain quiet throughout the meeting.